Once you taste this fluffy Thai prawn omelette or ไข่เจียวกุ้ง you will never put down your spoon.
In today's recipe, I need just a few ingredients to cook a yummy omelette, and it's actually pretty fast too.
I'm going to cut my already cleaned and deveined prawns into small pieces, but not too small. Like that, I can taste the prawn in every single omelette bite. Also to allow it to cook evenly. Now, I will chop green onion and coriander. They are going to freshen up the omelette taste after all. You can skip the coriander if you don't like its smell, but you should not skip the green onion, really.
By the way, I just released a mini cookbook with 5 detailed recipes that you can download for free. I will leave the link in the description. I hope you will enjoy it.
Alright, my chicken eggs are not that big, so I'm going to use 3 of them. If you got bigger ones, 2 should be fine. For my prawn omelette, I will season it only with soy sauce and white pepper to spice up the flavor and give a nice smell to the omelette. The reason is that after the prawn is fried in hot oil, it will release its natural sweet and salty flavors into the omelette, so we don't need to add too much seasoning. Now, bring the chopped green onion and coriander into the eggs. Then you have to beat the eggs really well until the yolks and the egg white are combined. Now to have a fluffy and beautiful omelette, I'm going to turn the gas on high heat. Then add vegetable oil, just a little bit more than usual.
This is maybe too much, but you know, I'm still reasonable compared to some other recipes.
Wait until the oil is hot, then pour the beaten eggs into it. Please look carefully at what I'm doing now, because this is my little trick to have a nice omelette. I will use a spatula to lift up one part of the fried omelette to let the raw egg from the middle run out through the hot oil. Like that, the whole omelette will be cooked evenly as well as the prawns.
If you watched until here, you probably like this recipe, so please subscribe if you haven't yet. Click the bell or notification and hit that like button for more yummy and easy recipe every Saturday.
Alright, now comes the tricky part, flipping the omelette. Be fast but careful in the same time. It's quite heavy, so I like to use 2 spatulas to flip it. There's less chance to break it. Can you see that golden brown color and how fluffy the omelette seems to be? It looks very delicious, right? Wait until it's cooked, then immediately place the omelette on top of fresh steamed rice. I like to serve my prawn omelette with hot sauce. It gives a little bit of spiciness, tanginess, and freshness into the dish, all in one bite. I love this recipe. Easy, simple, but really amazing. I do have another omelette recipe, but with chicken and a พริกน้ำปลา sauce. Go check it out.
Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. See you next Saturday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย